Hello, good morning, students. Today we have brought the remaining portion of the poem, the ball poem, composed by John Berryman. My dear, before we discuss more about this poem, I would like to convey you, as we know, real auspiciousness depends on activities done in full devotion and service. My dear, here we see in what way the boy learned how to stand up and cope up with such a situation if there comes of losing anything. My dear, today we have heard a stanza to analyze and to learn more about it. It is very inspiring, motivating, having good ideas of life. My dear, we have our doctrine of life in which we learn the responsibility of taking care of things what we have, and other thing, how to cope with the loss, because we know we cannot regain the past and the memories of the past. Here in this poem, the poet John Berryman has focused the importance of things what we lose, unfortunately, willingly or unwillingly. Here it says he senses first responsibility in a world of possession. People will take balls, balls will be lost always, little boy. My dear, these are the lines of consolation. And before that, we must know what is a world of possession. Simply, my dear, in this world, we want to have something. So, this world is considered as a world of possession. Just after that, the poet says, people will take balls and balls will be lost always. The given line tells us that this will happen always, whether we like or not. We shall lose something. But as here said, and no one buys a ball back. My dear, we cannot have the things what we lost because money is external. Money can purchase materialistic things only, but not the things of pleasure. But here, as in the above line, the poet says that this world is a possession, means we always look for things to have it. And unfortunately, if we lose it, we all become very sad and shocked. As in this poem, the boy lost his ball and became very sad. Just after that, he started learning what we learn from losing things. We learn we must not attach ourselves with things of materialistic world because money is meant for external things, not internal. Peace is eternal, prosperity is eternal, perfection is eternal. It cannot be purchased from money. And the poet says he is learning well behind his disparate eyes. The boy had his disparate eyes because he had lost his ball. Desperate in the sense he was fully attached with the ball. He wanted to have it again, but it was quite impossible. What is lost forever, my dear. We cannot have it again. So, I would like to tell you sometimes loss helps us in growing up and makes us able to face hardship that comes in our life. But what is the possible way to get rid of that? We should never stick to something which we cannot have. Means a kind of attachment. My dear, this one is the main source of sorrow, as the boy is deeply grieved due to the loss of his ball. But this loss tells us, and here the poet also makes the boy understand about his responsibility. And I think what we have analyzed, although up to some extent the poem is very tedious, but I think you are paying your attention up to maximum level. And in my every video, I suggest you to ask something if you have any doubt. And tomorrow we shall conclude the poem with all sorts of doubts, tediousness, and the terms and techniques applied in the poem. Thank you.